I felt like doing an extra video today. That's why I'm still in the same shirt. It's a sunflower. This is going to be a time lapse. Sort of. I'll speed it up. But anyway, it was fun. Just something extra to do. I have a friend who loves sunflowers and I wanted to send a card. So here it is. And I'll show you how I did that. But a little bit time lapse. And same shirt. Same shirt. I love this shirt. It's from Robin. All right, here we go. I will take this opportunity to read to you the poem from Mary Oliver called The Sunflowers. So here it is. Come with me into the field of sunflowers. Their faces are burnished discs. Their dry spines creak like ship masts. Their green leaves so heavy and many fill all day with the sticky sugars of the sun. Come with me to visit the sunflowers. They are shy, but want to be friends. They have wonderful stories of when they were young, the important weather, the wandering crows. Don't be afraid to ask them questions. Their bright faces, which follow the sun, will listen. And all those rows of seeds, each one a new life, hope for a deeper acquaintance. Each of them, though it stands in a crowd of many, like a separate universe, is lonely. The long work of turning their lives into a celebration is not easy. Come and let us talk with those modest faces, the simple garments of leaves, the coarse roots in the earth, so uprightly burning. That is written by Mary Oliver. Mary Oliver is described as a private person by nature. She was given very few interviews, or she has given very few interviews over her life. She preferred to let her work speak for itself. The New York Times recently acknowledged Mary Oliver as far and away this country's best-selling poet. She was born in a small town in Ohio. She published her first book of poetry in 1963 at the age of 28, called No Voyage and Other Poems, originally printed in the UK by Dent Press. It was reissued in the United States in 1965 by Houghton Mifflin. Wow. She passed away in 2005. Well, I appreciate the poem, Mary Oliver, and I love the way it paints a picture itself. Her words paint a picture. Yes, they do. All right. Alright, let's fold it, make it a card, and we will say it is not the best painting I've ever done in my life. But then again, it does look nice. It does look like a nice card. For whatever reason, there's our sunflower card. Alright, well, this is a little extra bonus video for today. Thank you for watching. Talk to you later.